this is how we treat you. Because we value you. Are you with me? You want me to move further? You want more? Wait, I'll just check. Marami pa. Okay. I know now. This time. Next slide, please. Yeah. This time, I will give you a glimpse of what is inside the ship. Are you with me? Next slide, please. You can shop. You can go shopping. Next. Imagine, you can even do a rock climbing in this ship. Amazing. Next. They even have an ice skating rink. Next. A golf course. Next. Swimming pool. Next. Sa mga nai-stress, pwede, may yoga. Okay? Next! Gym. Next! Imagine, may bumper sa loob. Next! In this case, I want to emphasize